Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to install Go in my Ubuntu machine so that you can also do the same in your machine. So if you are planning to build first scalable applications, Go is one of the best programming language that you can choose. It is known for its simplicity, performance and strong concurrency support. So in this video I am going to show you how you can manually install Go in your machine. So let's go for it. To install the Go in your machine, so for that you need to actually first of all open to your terminal. So I have opened my terminal here. So here you need to actually give some command sequentially, and then the Go will be installed in your machine. So for that I need to go to the browser first. So here is the Go official website. So from here you need to see the latest release or latest version of the Go. For that, here you can see a button that is called download. So you need to click here, and after clicking here it will redirect you to the all releases page. From here you can see all the stable versions. So we will use the version for Linux OS. So this is the version we will use. Here you can see the version 1.26.2. so this is the latest stable version for Ubuntu or any Linux. For that you need to actually use this file name. Okay, so I have also written a step-by-step guide how you can install Go on this topic. So I will share this blog link and also this link in the video description section. So from here you can see, first of all, in the first step you need to remove any existing Go installation. If you already have installed any Go version in your system, then you need to first remove that one. So let's copy this one and go to the terminal and paste it here. So after pasting it here, you need to give your sudo password. So I am going to give my password. Now it has actually removed all the file associated with Go, and after that you can see you need to install download the latest version. So that is this one. So you can do this thing in two ways. You can click here and it will automatically download the Go latest version in your system, or you can do one more thing. You can use the wget tools, that is more handy. So I will choose this one. Let's copy this one and paste it here. You can see the version here is 1.22.5. so I will change it to the latest version and hit enter, and it will automatically download the Go things, Go for you. So it will take some time depending on your internet speed. So let's wait for completing the download. Okay, now you can see download has been completed. Now we need to proceed, and for that we need to, in the step 3, we need to extract Go to this location. Okay, so for that we need to actually copy this command and let's go paste it here, and you can see the Go that is not the right file. So we need to go to the download, then the Go1. okay, let's go here and copy this thing and here. So you need to change the 26.2 and hit enter. So you can see cannot open, no such file or directory. Okay, let's go here and change it to the here. Yeah, it has been copied, it has been done. So this file has been copied to your this location. So if I go to the cd/usr/local, so I can see one of the folder or directory Go. That means the installation has been done. Now you can actually verify your installation, but before that you need to set up the environment variables. So for that we need to go to the bash rc. So for bash users, and if you are a zsh user, then you need to go to this file. So I am a bash user. For that I need to edit this file, go here and paste it here and hit enter. So you need to go to at the bottom of the file, and you need to, yeah, this one, you need to actually copy this path and store it here. I have already exported it here, so I don't need to actually do the right thing. Now I need to save this file, so I have saved it, and now I can verify this thing. So for verification, let's go to the terminal and go version. So if you hit enter here, it will return to the latest version of the Go. It has been actually verified that you have already installed Go in your machine successfully. So let's run a test program. Let's go, let's say I am going to copy this thing and paste it here, and here I have actually created a file that is named as hello.go. So if I want to run this, so go run hello.go. If I hit enter, it will show me the hello go, because I have only print one line here. So let's go. Yes, I can see the expected output here. So that's it. Actually this is very straightforward and simple installation video. Hope you enjoy this. Take care. Goodbye.